Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and it's Saturday, and I'm doing a commercial job. Hey, my dentist's office is in there. 17th floor, I think it is. Yes, I pay him so well he can afford to be in there. Oh man, I have a $6,000 tooth, and that's just one of them. Anyway, that's Dilworth Mountain over there. That's a really nice area over there. And Glenmore Valley heading up over that way. Wilden and what do they call it? Clifton area over there. Yeah. So we're fairly close to the downtown here. And I'm in this is part of the complex I'm in, actually. There's a number of buildings. I think there's 5 or 6 buildings like around here. And this one is, I've been here before, quite a few times actually, and I think I've got a few videos showing this, but this is a massage clinic, and needless to say, oil, lots of oil. And this is an olefin carpet, and we got some real issues to deal with. Actually, it's looking worse than I think I've seen it in quite a long time. And he only does it once a year, which is really quite ridiculous, actually. I mean, a situation like this, you really need to be doing this every few months, actually. And because they're constantly, dropping oil onto the carpet, and oil absorbs into the carpet, into the fibers. And this is an olefin, so it absorbs oil because it's made of oil. And yeah, not looking good, is it? So I won't be moving these massage tables, though. This one was not so bad. But and apparently he dropped almond oil on the carpet and then tracked it everywhere. Look at this. It even goes down over here. So this will be fun. So today, anyway, I'm using my Hoover Conquest, my standard model, which I've had for quite a while. This is the one I bought for $5 on a garage sale, and had it for years, never did anything with it. And one day I thought, am I either going to throw it away or fix it? And I took it apart and realized it was actually in really good shape, other than I think it had a screw somewhere that was driven through the housing, and took that out, fixed that, and the brush roll was replaced, and one's beautiful. It's a great vacuum. But so I'll use it on a smaller job like this. So it's a bit smaller than my wider one, obviously. So, but it's a very powerful vacuum. So here we go. It's a bit noisy. It's actually a very easy vacuum to work with, though, actually. And that brush roll really digs in the carpet. He already vacuumed it, but I'm going to do this again anyway. Ooh. These vacuums have a very unique setup for the belt. It actually has 2 belts. A belt that goes to a pulley, and then a belt that comes off the pulley to the brush roll. So I think it gives it a faster spinning brush roll. Seems to work really well anyway. I've actually been cleaning this carpet for a few years, and every time I come, it's, well, pretty bad. You know, it's amazing to me that, you know, people have a carpet like this in a place where you're constantly walking on it with obviously getting it really mistreated, as it were, and then they've got it locked in their heads that once a year is all you should clean a carpet. It's just not realistic at all, is it? And then the funny thing is, people say, I don't like carpet because you got to clean it all the time. Well, if you had a hard floor in here, like a LVP or something like that, it would be very difficult to keep the place clean because, you know, they'd be constantly having to wipe the floor down, like daily probably. And then of course, anytime you spill something on the floor, you know, it'll be slippery, and they're spilling oil all over the place all the time. Be constantly, every day, you'd have to, you know, put a mop across a floor like that. Whereas with the carpet, well, they're going to vacuum it once in a while, and that's about it. Well, these are really very, very good vacuums. Not too long ago, I saw it priced, I don't think they make them anymore, but not too long ago I saw this particular model on a website somewhere, and it was like $700, which really isn't a lot of money, but I don't think they make them anymore. People want these little lights. Even the janitors, oh, I'm not going to make it. Even the janitors want these little light machines because, you know, the janitorial companies, they're hiring a lot of, you know, these smaller framed folks who would complain, I can't use that vacuum, it's too heavy. But, anyway, I'm going to have to remove that plug. I really need to, I think it must have been shortened. Well, I guess it was anyway, I don't know. Because that's not a very long power cord on this thing. this, how I had this set up. But anyway, we'll just do it this way. So what you do is you shake the bag. And this bag is actually does need to be replaced, but I won't bother with it right now because I don't actually use this vacuum very often. Yeah, see, there's some crap in there, but maybe an inch or so, maybe a bit less. So anyway, we'll get rid of that thing, and we'll start cleaning the carpet. So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.